Welcome to Learn English channel. My name is Sharif. Learn to speak to your expat friend in English. What is your name? My name is John. Where are you from? I'm from Italy. Why did you move here? I moved here for work. How long have you lived here? I have lived here for 7 years. What do you like about this place? I like the culture, food, and friendly people. What do you miss about your home country? I miss my family, friends, and traditional food. How do you practice English? I practice by speaking with friends and watching movies. What is your favorite English word? My favorite word is serendipity. Do you have any hobbies? Yes, I enjoy reading, cooking, and hiking. What kind of music do you like? I like pop/rock/classical music. Have you traveled to other countries? Yes, I have visited Sudan, Egypt, USA. What is your job? I work as a network engineer. How do you feel about learning English? I find it challenging but very rewarding. What is your biggest challenge in learning English? My biggest challenge is understanding native speakers. What is your favorite English movie? My favorite movie is Titanic. Do you prefer reading books or watching movies? I prefer books because provide me with information. What do you do on weekends? I usually relax, explore the city, or meet friends. Can you tell me about a funny experience you had? Once, describe a funny experience. How do you celebrate holidays? I celebrate by enjoy with friends. What is your favorite food? Favorite food is KFC. Do you want to improve in your English? I want to improve my speaking and listening skills. Do you enjoy cooking? Yes, I love to cook and try new recipes. What is something new you learned recently? I learned how to describe a new skill or fact. How do you stay motivated in learning English? I set goals and reward myself for progress. What advice would you give to someone learning English? Practice every day and don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's all we have for this lesson. If you have any questions or inquiries, don't hesitate to ask. Please drop that down in the comments. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. Goodbye.